welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log in into your Chase bank account online. Whether you're logging in for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you out. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Chase bank website by typing in chase.com, which will lead you to the official website and keep you safe from the scams. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in button. On the login page, you'll see the fields asking for your username and password. Enter your username in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Be sure to type your password carefully to avoid any errors. Before clicking on the sign in button, here are a few security tips. Always use a secure network to access your bank information. Do not share your login credentials with anyone. Ensure your device has updated antivirus software. And once you're ready, click on the sign in button. After successfully entering your credentials, you will be logged into your Chase bank account. You can now access all the online banking features such as checking your balance, transferring funds, and more. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Chase bank account. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.